Okay, so I bought some old locks off of eBay, and here is one of them. It's a 5-pin Yale rim cylinder. I went ahead and took the clip off the back, so I got to be careful and not pull that core or the plug out. So we'll try this one. It's got a pretty big keyway up at the top. Let's see what we got here. Felt like a little bit of one. I'm going to use this pick. I don't have a key. That's why I went ahead and took the back off. There's a little on 2. 1. Got a slight turn on the core. A little more turn on 2. And it's open on 5. So let me gently pull that tension bar out so we don't knock that plug out. That would be a mess indeed. A mess I don't want to have to fix and clean up today. Alright. Let me set this down here. I got a straight. It's been a while since I've done some videos. Been working. There we go. Put that there. Oh, I learned to shim these kind. If I can get the shim in there. There we go. I think it'll be big enough. It is tight. Okay. I'm guessing it's going to be all standards. Standard. Oh, standard. Standard. Ah, there's a wafer. There's another wafer. I know there's not been nothing done to the plug since I bought it off of eBay. in a lot of old locks. Or I'd be real surprised if there's anything. Okay, standard. Pull the spring out of my way. Another standard. Another standard. Another standard. Another standard. So, all standards. Which I'm not surprised. But just the fact of it looks like an old Yale lock. Don't see any new ones that looks like this, that's for sure. And I work with locks all day now, so. Alright, here is this. Sorry for the bouncing around, guys. Here is this Yale old rim cylinder, 5-pin. All pins are standards. Let me scoot this up a little bit. There we go. All pins are standard pins in it. Alright everyone, as always, be good, be safe, be legal. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a good one. And happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Thanks.